Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 7th, 2021, and I'm out here in the old greenhouse, and I have some of my Statice seeds here. Now this is the Seeker White, and you can see what my Statice seeds look like here. Now I already do have some Statice seedlings growing, which I will show them to you when I'm finished with this. But I noticed I use a lot of white, so I decided to plant more white for my cut flowers. Now, for your Statice, they tell you to put a light covering over it, but I prefer to just surface sow mine. And I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. Two more here. So I have all these here planted. My next thing to do is to take my spray bottle here, if I can get it without knocking everything over. The wind is really blowing outside, so. And I'm just going to gently mist over the tops of these. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get these labeled, and I'm going to put them on the floor in an enclosed container, but I'm not going to put my covering over my container tight. I'm going to let some air space, because your seeds need oxygen to germinate, and it also helps to prevent your soil from molding. So I'm going to check these every day and make sure that they don't dry out. And I'm going to show you the ones that I have growing back here. So you can see here's my Statice seedlings that I have already growing. And I have some more over here. And I use a lot of Statice, and I noticed that I use a lot of the white. So I decided to go ahead and plant some more. Now, one thing that I've learned about Statice, I mostly grow the Seeker mix, and I am trying a QIS apricot, which that's a new one for me this year. I never grew that one before, so I'm curious to see how that one grows. But some of the different colors, they grow differently than others. Like some will produce a whole lot more blooms, some of the colors will, than what others. So I noticed that like with the yellow seems to kind of be a weaker plant and variety. So what I do is I kind of plant more of certain varieties if I notice like one doesn't give as much, and that helps me keep a more steady supply. Now I did see that they have a QIS yellow shades for the Statice. I've never tried it. I don't know how that one blooms compared to the Seeker Mix Yellow, but that is something I've noticed. The Seeker Mix Yellow seems to be one that doesn't bloom as much as some of the other colors, or it'll have like some weaker stems to it. So it's just kind of something I took notice to. And the rose shades, that's another one that I noticed doesn't bloom as much as some of the others. They have a white, they have a light blue, like a pastel blue, a dark blue, and then they have a dark purple. So the rose shades and the yellow, I noticed they bloom and they're beautiful, but I have to plant more of those to get the blooms that I need. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tries to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!